It's Wednesday morning, June 9th, 2021. I was a bit bored with the drawing yesterday. I kind of folded it several times, and then I actually crumpled it. And then I did some gestural drawing with a white pencil and colored pencils, like yellow and kind of an orange reddish one, which you see there. And then this morning I brewed up a little bit of hot water, put it in an old Lipton tea bag, an old never used Lipton tea bag. What do we have? Choicest Blend, Orange Pekoe and Pekoe cut black tea. And then I put the drawing, on this plastic here, just to protect my table here, with a paper towel that I multiple folds, which I dipped in the hot tea water. I then blotted the drawing. Then I blotted it dry with like plain newsprint paper, and then it's hanging up to dry. It's actually partially dried now. I can see lighter sections here, and well, that will be how it is. And I took something out of a frame I had hanging up, which I'm going to put in another frame, and I think it will work nicely in this warm wood frame. All right, to be continued. Thanks, Budgies. Good musical accompaniment with a little bit of kvetching in there. Very good. Good show. Jolly good show.